Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Route app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Route is a package tracking and order protection app designed to give online shoppers peace of mind. It allows users to track deliveries from thousands of retailers in one place, with real-time updates, push notifications, and even a visual map for monitoring shipments. Beyond tracking, Route also offers protection against lost, stolen, or damaged packages, making it more than just a delivery tracker. Its clean design, fast syncing, and integration with e-commerce stores make it very convenient for frequent shoppers. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate that the app consolidates all their online orders in one place, saving them from switching between different carrier apps or websites. Real-time notifications help keep track of packages without effort, and the delivery map adds a visual layer to the experience. The order protection feature also provides reassurance, especially for high-value items. Still, the app isn't without drawbacks. Some users report that tracking updates can lag compared to official courier sites, which may cause minor delays in receiving the latest status. The package protection service isn't free. It often requires an added fee at checkout, which may not appeal to all shoppers. Additionally, while the app integrates with many retailers, coverage may vary depending on the store. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Route app may be worth using if you frequently shop online and want an all-in-one solution for package tracking and order protection. It stands out with its simple interface, instant alerts, and added security for deliveries. However, if you prefer relying directly on carrier apps or don't want to pay extra for order protection, you might not find it as essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.